my god!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for central Douglas County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
Mom!
a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located.
Yeah,
over
we're a few
Gillard,
counties away
or
from
near
it.
Douglasville, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
I said we're going to
Hazard,
120.
tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Holy shit.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Douglasville, East Point, Union City, College Park, Fairburn, Winston,
I need to hurry because my phone's about to die.
Chapel Hill, and Bill Arp. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7
Now the thunder's coming.
634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service